Main power of any CMS comes from templates, so we will take our time learning how to utilize them. If you are on the home page, you can go ahead and click on the Data Templates icon. Otherwise, just expand Development menu option in the sidebar and select Data Templates. Our first template will be the template for a blog article. Click on the New Data Template button to open up the creation wizard. Type in the template name. Code name is once again auto-generated, but we can modify it as long as it's unlocked. We can optionally enter the description for our template if we have one, and also choose an icon, since we don't want to use the default template icon. Using the search and category filters, we can narrow down the results to a specific icon group and find the icon we want to use. Click Save to complete template creation, and we can now use the design window to add article components. Simplest version of a blog article will just have a title and article body. Drag and drop single line text component to add it to the template. Let's give this field a name. And check out if we're happy with the other properties. We don't need a default value, since every article will likely have its own name. Let's make this a required field, since it makes sense for every article to have a title. We can add more validation rules if we need to. Validation rules also support regular expressions and basic math functions. What if we want to search for a specific article in a pile of many by using its title? Well, we can speed that up by making this an indexed field. Hover over a created field and use the plus icon to add another field below it. This way we can add a rich text editor and use that as the article body. We can always drag and drop to rearrange fields on a template, and if you end up accidentally adding a field and wish to remove it, as long as field settings for that field are open, you can use the trash can icon displayed on the template design view. Now this is sufficient for a basic article, so make sure to save before continuing. Now that we have a template, we can go ahead and create as many articles as we want based on this template. Expand Content Editing in the sidebar, then select Content Editor, and now we can add an entry using the appropriate button. Pick Insert from Data Templates, and then choose the article template we have created moments ago. Now we can enter the relevant information. Article name is the name used inside the content editor itself, so we can just keep this simple. Title, on the other hand, needs to be a proper article title, since it will be used as part of the article. We can then use the rich text editor to write and format the article body. When we're finished with that, we can just hit save and that's it. Now you know how to create your own template and content based off of that.